Write P if the fraction is proper, I for improper, and Mn for a mixed number. Write your answer on the blank before each item. But before that, aalamin muna natin kung ano yung proper fraction, ano ang improper fraction, at ano ang mixed number. A proper fraction is a fraction where the numerator, the top number, is less than the denominator or the bottom number. In simplest terms, it represents a value less than 1 whole. So, ito ang fraction, ito ang numerator ang nasa ibabaw, at ito naman ang denominator na nasa baba. So, kapag mas maliit ang numerator kaysa sa denominator, so ito ay proper fraction. Example of proper fraction, 1/2, 2/4, and 5/8. An improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator, the top number, is greater than or equal to the denominator, the bottom number. Essentially, it represents a value that is 1 whole or more than 1 whole. So, ibig sabihin, kapag sinabi natin improper fraction, mas malaki ang numerator kaysa sa denominator. Ito, mas malaki ang numerator kaysa sa denominator or equal ang numerator at ang denominator. So, itong 11/11 or 11/11 is equal to 1 kasi 11 divided by 11 is 1. So, again, an improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. Greater than the denominator or equal than the denominator. So, example of improper fraction, 5/4, 8/3, 11/11. Ang mixed number naman ay mixed number is a way of representing a number that is composed of a whole number and a proper fraction. So, for example, 1 and 1/2. So, itong 1, ito ang whole number. At ito namang 1/2, ito ang proper fraction kasi mas maliit ang numerator kaysa sa denominator. So, again, mixed number is a way of representing a number that is composed of a whole number and a proper fraction. Example, 1 and 1/2, 2 and 3/4, 3 and 1/3. So, let's answer this. Write P if the fraction is proper, I for improper, and Mn for a mixed number. Write your answer on the blank before each item. So, bibigyan ko kayo ng 2 minutes para answerin or sagutin ang 1 to 9. Number 1, 3/4. Number 2, 5 and 1/2. Number 3, 8/8. Number 4, 9/5. Number 5, 11/11. Number 6, 8/3. Number 7, 8 and 2/3. Number 8, 1/2. Number 9, 2/4. Time's up. So, sasagutan na natin itong number 1, 3/4. So, ano ito? Proper, improper, or mixed number. So, ito ay proper kasi mas maliit ang numerator kaysa sa denominator. Number 2, 5 and 1/2. So, ito ay mixed number kasi mayroong whole number at mayroong proper fraction. Number 3, 8/8. Ito ay improper fraction kasi magkapareho ang numerator at ang denominator. Number 4, 9/5. So, ito ay improper kasi mas malaki ang numerator kaysa sa denominator. Number 5, 11/11. Ito ay improper kasi magkapareho ang numerator at ang denominator. Number 6, 8/3. Improper kasi mas malaki ang numerator kaysa sa denominator. Number 7, 8 and 2/3. Ito ay mixed number kasi mayroong whole number and proper fraction. Number 8, 1/2. So, ito ay proper fraction kasi mas maliit ang numerator kaysa sa denominator. And last one, 2/4. So, ito ay proper kasi mas maliit ang numerator kaysa sa denominator. So, ilagay ang inyong score sa baba.